What if I told you that you could get a valuable Google certification, something that usually costs a good chunk of money, for absolutely free? Well, believe it, because in 2026, it's not a dream, it's actually happening. Google is running official programs with free training and free exams in super hot fields like cloud and AI, and we are going to walk you through exactly how to get in on this. Let's do it.
So, is this for real? Can you actually get an official Google certification for $0? You bet! The answer is a huge yes. Through a few key programs, Google is literally handing out free training, hands-on labs, and even 100% free exam vouchers. And these aren't just any certs. They're the real deal, recognized by the industry and fields that are just blowing up right now, like cloud computing and Gen AI.
All right, here's a quick look at our game plan. We'll start with the opportunity itself. Then we'll figure out which program is the right fit for you. I'll guide you through signing up, we'll talk about the skills you're going to gain, the actual career value, and wrap it all up with some solid tips to help you pass that exam.
Okay, so let's dive right in. What is this opportunity really? Well, for 2026, there are 3 main official ways to get a free certification. And just to be super clear, these aren't some sketchy third-party deals. These are coming straight from Google or their official partners. The whole idea is to get more skilled people using their tech and get you certified without you having to spend a dime.
Okay, so we're looking at 3 main programs. First, there's the GEAR, Get Certified program, which is for folks already in the cloud world. Then you've got the Google Launchpad for Women, which focuses on the Generative AI Leader Cert. And finally, there are various scholarship programs for Google's AI and career certificates. Now here's the key thing you got to know. Each one is targeted, so figuring out which one you qualify for is the most important first step.
Which leads us to probably the biggest question on your mind. Which one of these is for you? Eligibility is everything here, and it can look a little confusing at first. But don't worry, we're going to break it down really simply so you can see exactly where you might fit in.
Okay, let's look at this at a glance. Super simple. If you work for a company that's already a Google Cloud customer, then boom, the GEAR program is probably your best bet. If you're with a customer or partner and you're really interested in Gen AI, then Launchpad is the one to look out for. And for students, people looking for a job, or anyone trying to switch careers, the scholarship route is your most direct path.
So, digging into the GEAR program a bit more. This one is specifically for people who are employees at a company that uses Google Cloud. And the #1 requirement, the gatekeeper if you will, is your corporate email address. A personal Gmail account just won't work for this. It's also really important to note that these spots are limited and they fill up fast, so you gotta be quick on the trigger for this one. All right, let's talk about the Launchpad program. Now, it was originally launched to celebrate International Women's Day, but the official line is that everyone is welcome, which is awesome. This is for Google Cloud customers and their partners, and the key to getting in is an access code. You usually get that from your company's Google Cloud account manager.
And then we've got the scholarship route, which is honestly the most open path for a lot of people. Google works with different organizations like Goodwill here in the US, which offers the AI Essentials course for free. There are also local workforce boards that give out scholarships for those super popular Google career certificates.
All right, so you've hopefully got an idea of which path fits you best. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and turn that idea into action. This next part is all about the how, your step-by-step guide to actually signing up for one of these incredible programs.
For the GEAR program, it's a pretty clear 5-step process. First, just double-check that your company is a Google Cloud customer. Easy enough. Then, join the GEAR program online with that work email. After that, you'll apply to join a specific Get Certified group. Once you get that confirmation email, the real work starts, and you really have to stay on top of the weekly milestones to earn that free voucher.
The Launchpad sign-up is actually pretty simple. You find the official event link, pop in your access code, and register. But here's the one non-negotiable. You absolutely have to attend the full 2-day virtual training to qualify. No skipping out early. After you do that, that awesome free exam voucher will show up in your inbox, ready for you to use.
For scholarships, your first step is to find a local partner organization. So, like we mentioned, in the US, that might be Goodwill or your local workforce board. You'll fill out their application, and if they accept you, you'll get a special link from Coursera in your email. That link is your golden ticket to free access to all the courses you need to earn that certificate.
Okay, so you're in. That's awesome. But what are you actually going to learn? This is where it gets really good, because these certifications aren't just about putting a new line on your resume. They represent real, concrete, job-ready skills that companies are seriously looking for right now.
A good way to think about this is like two different levels. You've got your foundational certs, like the Generative AI Leader one. That's all about the big picture, the what and the why of AI strategy for a business. Then you have the professional certs, like Cloud Architect. These go deep into the how. They teach you to actually design and build the complicated, secure systems that businesses run on.
In the scholarship path, it opens up a whole world of some of the most in-demand skills out there. And we're not talking about just theory here. We're talking about real hands-on skills like writing SQL queries, using Python for data analysis, getting good at prompt engineering, and running projects using agile methods. This is the stuff that gets you hired.
Okay, let's talk about the bottom line. The big question. Is putting in the time and effort actually worth it for your career? Let's look at the data and see what the real-world payoff looks like.
Check this out. A survey done by Google and Ipsos found that the people who actually earned these certifications feel they directly helped them land top jobs and even get promoted faster once they were in a role. I mean, that's some powerful feedback coming straight from the source.
And if you want some hard numbers, this is just incredible. For the career certificates, more than 70% of graduates report a real, positive change in their career. We're talking a new job, a promotion, or a raise, all within 6 months of finishing. That is a massive impact in a really short time.
And this might be one of the biggest perks of all, something that goes way beyond just the skills. Graduates get a direct line to an employer consortium with over 150 companies. This includes huge names like Deloitte, Verizon, and yeah, even Google itself. They're all actively looking to hire people with these exact credentials. It's like a VIP pass to the front of the line.
Okay, so you're fired up, you're ready to register, you see the value. So how do we make sure you nail that exam, hopefully on the very first try? Let's put together your strategy for success.
All right, here's your game plan for success. First, you gotta commit the time. The GEAR program, for instance, is about 9 hours a week. Second, stick to the official Google learning paths. Don't go off-roading. And number 3, and I can't stress this enough, do every single hands-on lab. Theory is great, but practice is what gets you certified. Make sure you use the official sample questions, lean on your fellow learners and mentors, and hey, build a small portfolio to show off what you've built.
All right, let's wrap it up with a super quick recap of your options for 2026. Remember, GEAR is your ticket if you work at a Google Cloud customer. Launchpad is your go-to if you're a customer or partner aiming for that Gen AI cert. And scholarships are the best bet for students and job seekers who can connect with a partner organization.
Look, the opportunity is absolutely real. The roadmaps are laid out for you. These free programs are just an incredible way to get skills that can seriously boost your career, all without the price tag. So really, the only question left is the one you see right here. Which Google certification are you going to go after first to kickstart your career?